Morning. Thought I'd give you guys my take on super raised beds and a cutting garden. So I'm sitting on my Joe bed, I call it. That's Joe Lample from Growing a Greener World. This was his model, and we absolutely love these beds. We made them with the thoughts of putting our vegetables in there ultimately, but you know me, I had to slide some cut flowers in there. So I just want to share that the issue that I find, because these beds are 18 inches tall, so they're pretty high off the ground, which is, I'm sitting on it. It's super convenient. But when you're growing super tall flowers, like you can see, there's feverfew and Queen Anne's lace and snapdragons and Ami magus, and there's all kinds of stuff in here. We've been cutting from this bed for over 6 or 7 weeks. They're super susceptible to the wind because we've now lifted them off the ground, right? So if you're gonna put them in a super raised bed, you need to have well-installed flower support for your flowers because you'll really lose them.